Who's ready for another Easter DIY? I know, me too. What you're going to need is you're going to need terracotta pots, some foam, floral foam, some Easter eggs. I got all these at the 99-cent store, or the Dollar Tree has them. Okay guys, what I did is I took the apple barrel paint from Walmart, painted a couple of the terracotta pots and saucers, and now I'm going to decide which eggs I want in there. And I don't know that I'm going to go this tall. I may go tall on one and shorter on the other. And to adhere these sticks, I just have some green foam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this into the terracotta pot and get that where it's really tight, and then I'm going to come back and we'll start assembling these, and I think then we're going to be just about done. Okay, what I'm going to do is see what eggs I want. I think I'm going to use these guys that I got from the Dollar Tree. Aren't these cute? Aren't those cute? And I'm going to put them with some of these eggs for our flower pots. And all I did is I cut it up and shoved it into here. Didn't glue it or anything, because I won't be keeping these, you know, intact. All you're doing is now you're just going to put the eggs where you want them, and then around here we're just going to put some Easter grass so you don't see this. And then you can go ahead and you can put a ribbon, or you can leave it, whatever you want to do. With my wire cutters, I'm just cutting. I like things all different heights. That's just me. Okay. All right, okay, and now what I'm going to do is I just want to hide that green foam, floral foam. And actually, I personally don't mind the grass hanging over. I kind of like that look. But you can trim it up or whatever you want to do. I might just, well, I'll go ahead and just trim it a little bit. But I don't want to trim all of it because I really do like the look of it kind of hanging over. And again, that's just personal preference. I'm not putting any kind of a sealer on these terracotta pots, because after Easter this will all come out of it, and I'm going to be using these for a permanent DIY for my family room that I'll be sharing with you. Okay, so now you have that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these cute, real colorful eggs. So we're going to take a couple of these little eggs and just place them in a couple areas, laying in the grass. Now, if you were going to keep these up, I mean, But what I mean by keeping them up, keeping them to where you aren't going to disassemble them, then I would definitely glue these in. But since I am not going to keep this, I'm just laying them. And then if I find that I want to put another and say that it starts to fall out, I'll go ahead and just maybe put a tiny little bit on the egg, put a tiny little bit of hot glue on the egg and just glue it onto the grass. And that way I can still take this apart very easily. Okay, so there's one. Really cute. Your little Easter bouquet. Okay, so now let's get this one. I think what I'll do, I'm going to put a mixture of grass into this one. Okay, in this one, I'm just going to put green and purple grass in here. Get some more of my eggs, put them off at an angle. This one I want to cut down just a little bit. Put some eggs in here. Like I said, you can glue them if you're keeping it. I might go ahead and glue them, just like I said, into the Easter grass, just so I don't have to worry when I move them that they're going to keep falling out. So I don't have to worry about them to fall out. So there you go. I'll be back in a minute and show you what they look like together. So guys, there you go. There it is. That is what they look like. Just a terracotta pot, some Easter grass, some Easter eggs. All of this you can get at the Dollar Tree. So I hope you like it. I hope you'll try it. And get ready, I have another DIY coming up. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.